Ugga Ugga. One night, Caveman Grungle and Cavewoman Luma looked at the far sky and saw light, not stars, glowing lamps flickering all around. Grungle scratched his head. Luma, who make fire so tiny? Luma giggled. Maybe fire spirits dance. Grungle replied, no, too many fire. Sky not burn. People celebrate something. His eyes lit up. We must find out. Thus began the funniest prehistoric discovery ever. The first caveman explanation of Diwali, the festival of lights. Grungle squatted beside the fire and said, Diwali, word sound nice. Maybe mean many fire. Luma shook her head. No, Grungle, me feel it mean light wins. In the future, people call Diwali the Festival of Lights. It celebrates the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and hope over despair. Grungle grunted. So, Diwali make dark go away. Tribe use small fire for hope. He proudly drew a sun with his stick. Luma nodded. Yes, and people clean cave, wear bright fur, share food. Before we tell next part, Luma say, click big red thing below screen. You press subscribe, or Grungle think you not like story.